Well, there's the back of the dehumidifier. I took it out of the box just to bring it in. And I'll keep the box because you never know what happens and if it has to be returned. And it's got the strapping on it and styrofoam. That was $214 at Walmart. This cord winder is in the bucket. You gotta untape it and put it in there. And this is where the air comes in, so you don't want to restrict this area here, like putting it too close to the wall. And you open this up. See, these are fins, and they get cold, and the air flows through them, and then it heats up and then drips into the pan. So periodically you want to vacuum this out. And if you notice, there's a defrost button there that turns probably red that you have to defrost because this has got ice on it. This is where the little bit of hot air comes out. So keep it about here. And right now I have 70% humidity in here. So I'm going to turn it on. And here it's got comfort zone. And right there it's detecting the humidity in here, which is not the same as the gauge that I just showed you. Okay, you can take that off, comfort zone. And I wanted about 50%, well, say, what do we got here? 70, so I'll go 60%. Okay, that's on low. And you want turbo, which is this one. And there's enough heat that comes out of this. This unit here is for about 600 square feet, so I'm going to leave it in the living room. But it's also good for the garage, basement. It should warm the basement up nicely, and keep it around 70, because there is quite a bit of heat that comes out of it. So I plan to have it in the living room, and with the amount of heat coming off it, I shouldn't have the heat come on in the living room. Like right now it's like 10 Celsius, so I'm sure it'll be good all the way probably to 0. But this should keep your basement dry and not damp. I'll let this run in the comfort zone for probably an hour, and let's see how much water it pulls out of there. That's been running for about an hour. This gauge is showing 53%, and this one here is showing around 60. So let's check and see how much water is in the bin. So we can empty it out now in the sink. See, it's telling that this is out. That's about half full, so 22 pints, I would say 11 pints. I'll give you an idea how big this unit is. 15 inches this way, 10.5 this way, and 20 inches high. Hard to tell on camera just how, you know, big it is or small. Okay, I'm going to show you the three sides. This is the right side. This is the front. And down there, there's an indicator of where the water level is. And this is the side where the warm air comes out. You can attach a garden hose and put this into a drain on your floor for your basement. Or if you have it on a stand, you can route it into a sink. But for now, I'll keep this tight because I'm using the bin inside. I shut the comfort zone off. Now I'm running it just manually, and if you turn it up, say to 60, it'll show the humidity in here at 53, and it'll run for a few minutes and then it'll shut off automatically. And then if you want it lower, say you want it 45%, it only goes as low as 35%. I'll keep it at 60 and we'll see how long it takes the unit to shut off. See, it's shut off now because I set it to 60% humidity and it's not on the comfort zone. Now if I go minus, it'll just start up until it reaches. See, now I put it at 55% and it'll run until it reaches 55, which is now 60. So it should run for 15 minutes. See, now it's at 59%.